Hello and welcome to this GlobalBox.world tutorial where we'll learn how to use the Upload Similar Product feature. This feature assists vendors in uploading products with using information from a live product. First, you will need to log into your vendor account. If you are new here, please join now as a vendor. Once you are in your vendor account, navigate from the left sidebar and move down towards the My Products section. Now, find the Live Product option, which shows you all the products that are live on the website at this moment. From here, you will have to find the product that you want to upload a similar product of. I'm going for this t-shirt as an example. Click on the plus sign next to the product ID and you can see multiple options that pop up. From these options, select the Add a Similar Product option. The benefit of using this feature is that it uses already inputted information. As we can see here, the product name, quantity, and categories have already been updated. Since I'm uploading a new product, so I'll change the name slightly and add orange at the back. The product attributes option has already been updated by the system, so we can skip this step. But remember to change the options here. The product falls in a different attribute. In the product description, I'll make a few changes, and if you entered some terms and conditions, you can change them here as well. You can add some additional information, images, and tables here if you wanted. Tags are also copied over from the product you just selected. If this new product is available in some other locations, make sure to add them here. I'm going with the same product variations, which are categorized by size. The system also brings over the market segment, shipping information, and pricing information from the product that we have just selected. Make sure to change this information even if there are slight changes or variations. The images don't get carried over from the previous product. Let's upload a new image here to complete the upload process. Once you verify the information, just submit the product. Now this product will go through the product upload process. From here, the product will move to the pending approval section and then become a live product. This concludes our session for understanding how to use the Upload Similar Product option. If you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section or reach out to our customer service team. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial. Have a great week ahead.